In this session, I'm going to talk about the introduction for point of sale. When we look at IQ POS and IQ Free POS, you will notice that when you use IQ POS, you've got the extra options, account sales and account refunds, and you've got the credit to payment option that was not available in IQ Free POS. So what I've done with the recordings for IQ POS is I've kept all the recordings that I've already done in IQ Free POS, and I've just added the little sessions extra onto IQ POS. So sometimes when you look at a recording and you're listening to IQ POS, not all the buttons will be available at the stage that I'm doing that recording, but when we get to the creditor's payment, you'll see that the button will be there. So just keep in mind that if you're looking at a recording, for instance, for Open Draw, that the creditor's payment might not be there because I recorded the Open Draw recording for IQ Free POS. But when you then get to the relevant option, for instance, account refund, it will then be relevant for IQ POS only. In the recordings that follow, you'll see we've broken them up into little sessions, about 2.5 minutes each. And I've explained the option, and then I would, for instance, explain account refund, and I would show you the reporting side of it as well. So at all times, I'm trying to show you the influence the transaction has, whether it's an influence on an X report or a cash up, or whether we're looking at store parameters, all these options. Then I would, for instance, explain to you, and I'll show you what does this specific option look like when you get to the cash sales screen. So at all times, I'm trying to give you a bigger picture of not just what's happening here, but the influence a transaction has. And that concludes the introduction on point of sale while busy with your IQ POS system.